So I designed the Sound of Grace program specifically for women, and it is drawing on almost 20 years of my work and study with chant and mantra, with cross-cultural music, and also with shamanic healing postures. And I know the benefit that I've gained. It's had a huge impact on my life, and I really wanted to share that with other women. And I think one of the key things that's been in my journey is about finding my voice. Being female in the family that I grew up in the culture that we grow up in, there's all sorts of stuff there about having to find my voice. And for me, it was the chant and the mantra predominantly, but also working with cross-cultural music and then the healing postures. It's very insightful. You know, it can bring to the surface patterns that we have or aspects of ourselves that have lain hidden. And so bringing it all together enables me, and therefore anybody who chooses to come on the program, to use the vibration of sound and the music, etc. And they're very healing and very ancient traditions, to use the vibration of that for personal growth and for spiritual growth.
Om Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayatu.